My goodness. Hey, Charity, will you put her in her bedroom?
Yeah.
Lay her in her bed. Get away from the window.
Is this bad?
My goodness. Holy cow, siding's coming off. Oh. This is crazy. They're ripping siding off that house over there. Yeah. Is she in her bed? Well, watch this. Look at those trees back in there. Oh, please watch my truck. I'm in besides liability. Oh, look at those trees down there. Where are the boys at? Where are the boys at? I mean, look, there's siding missing. So the power went out? How does that make you feel?
Come on, back on. You know it's bad over here whenever the power goes out.
Did it come back on, you say?
Yeah. But it was.
Where are the boys at?
Probably sitting in the window looking at it.
Close the door.
What?
Look at that. Look at that. Golly. Yeah. It's like raining leaves though.
It is raining.
Here it comes back. can't believe I hadn't already cracked him.
No,
No.
baby, it's just windy.
What's the safest place to be?
Is it just windy? Oh, it is just windy.
Yeah.
What's the place to be with there's a hurricane?
In the basement.
What's he doing?
Where's the power going to go back on?
Did it not come back on? I thought it was already on.
No.
Back out? No? Did it go back on?
No, it's still.
It came back on.
I was watching it in the middle of last night.
Now, I don't know if the TVs have come back on yet, but the lights came back on.
I thought the light came back on. I thought they were talking about like all the colors.
No, just, I don't think they're,
Oh, I'm still listening.
No, I know.
Are they leaving? She has a pool in her backyard. I wouldn't like to have trees back there. But it's windy. I'm not. Oh. Hey, there's leaves up there too.
All right, you guys pick up every one of these leaves out of the yard before you come in.
Really?
No.
I'm not picking on these leaves up.
Wait, go ahead. If you start now, you can probably be done by the time it gets dark. So go ahead and hustle.
All the leaves,
Yep.
even in their yard.
Might as well.
In their yard.
Would that take forever?
We're not doing